So friends, after confirming the camera specs, OnePlus has confirmed that the OnePlus 13T will pack a huge 6260 mAh Glacier battery, and it is a world first and only small screen mobile phone with a battery capacity over 6K, officially leading the small screen battery into 6000 plus mAh era set by the company. And it is currently the mainstream flagship with the largest battery capacity, and it is only a 6.32-inch small screen. Regarding this, OnePlus China head Louis Chi said that with a 6260 mAh Glacier battery, the OnePlus 13T can ensure that everyone only needs to charge it once a day for daily use. You can play with friends for at least 7 hours without any problems, and you can also travel light when you go out for a whole day without having to bring a power bank or turn on the power saving mode. And compared to all other small screen mobile, the battery life performance of OnePlus 13T in various scenarios is leading by a large margin. Even compared with the large screen battery life monster such as iPhone 16 Pro Max, the battery life of OnePlus 13T is better. And behind this, OnePlus long-term investment in the field of battery life, the Glacier battery is a high-performance battery built for high-performance mobile phones which can exert stronger battery life when the performance continues to be full, with the top energy efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite and the more power-saving new 8T LTPO small straight screen and the newly upgraded ColorOS 15. The battery life of OnePlus 13T is stable and the experience is directly enshrined. Compared to other flagships, this not only has a big battery but weighs just 185 grams, said by the company. The other two phones in the list should be Xiaomi 15 Pro and Vivo X200 Pro. In that case, even the OnePlus 13 has a 6000 mAh battery and weighs only 213 grams. An earlier certification revealed 80 watt fast charging for the phone. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.